What's up, traders? Julian here from JLewisTrading.com, and we're doing a market review for Monday. S&P 500 had a good day today, as we called on Friday. Generally, there's this loose correlation between a strong Friday close and a great Monday, and today that's exactly what happened. We're just waiting on this technical level right through here to break. We're just about there. When that level gets taken out, you will see that we're going to run right through this all-time high level of 28.72. We've been talking about this now for weeks. We've been waiting on it for months, and the market right now is primed to break out of these levels and get very, very long. You can see that the momentum profile also is starting to pick up. And with that said, and today's strong sessions close, we had a lot of our swing trades that we were talking about in Ask a Trader moving to the long side. One notable move was actually DI SCA. We talked about this in Ask a Trader all through last week. There was a beautiful setup right through here, and you can see that over the course of Friday and today, this thing moved over a full point. So if you were tuning into Ask a Trader, these are the trades that we're looking at. These are the trades that we're putting out for our community members, and if you want to get a piece of that, hit the link below, sign up, become a member, totally free, and we can get you in front of these trades. Now, DISCA, again, moved almost just over a point and a bit when we called this thing out, and today you can see that it moved substantially, 3.6%. Not bad for a $20-something stock, and right now we're just waiting for this thing to cruise through that 28.61 level, and after that we'll watch it get very, very long. Looking at some of these past historical levels, we've got this zone resistance level right through here, so this thing very well could run into that $30 mark, if not further in the near future. But that's the market recap for today. So relatively busy day on the S&P 500. A lot of stocks moving up. Relatively busy with the swing trade long positions that we've been talking about, and then our day trading of the low float stocks, again, just shorting everything left, right, and center. If you have any questions about this video, some of the stocks that we're trading, etc., feel free to email me directly. I'm at info@JLewisTrading.com. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Turn those notifications on. And just below, again, there's a link to Ask a Trader, which we host on Tuesdays and Thursdays. It's totally free. It's a communal get-together where we talk about the stock market, the S&P, the Dow, the NASDAQ, the tech sector, penny stocks. We talk about everything in there. So if you want to join us, become a community member, by all means, hit the link below. Totally 100% free. Look forward to seeing you there. Bring your questions, and we'll see you in the next market review.